Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys 4 items that now the Masc body is able to wear. So if you walk here, you can now wear this cutesy skirt, super cute. You can also now wear these shorts as a Masc body. Again, body tee. Then you can also wear these flip-flops. And lastly, what you can wear is this, I don't know, like skirt with like jellyfish skirt, I guess, on Dress to Impress. And those are now the 4 items that you can wear when you have the Masc body. You can also wear these as a Masc body, these, this one, and this, as well as these gloves, but the rest you can't put on. Well, obviously you can put on the trophy, but the rest you can't. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!